Hi guys, Marvin here from shopsadapage.com, and this is a part of our ESGS 2019 coverage. Today we're going to check out all the gaming peripherals brands has to offer, from mechanical keyboards, gaming headsets, gaming mouse, and everything in between. With that said, let's get into it. This would probably be the second to the last video for our ESGS 2019 coverage, and then we'll go back to our regular programming of unboxing and reviews. I would just like to say thank you to you guys for your support. Without you, I wouldn't have the courage to cover this amazing event. With that said, I visited almost all the booths of gaming brands and checked out all the gaming peripherals they have to offer. I apologize for some brands that I wasn't able to cover, as the event, especially during the weekend, was crazy. Crazy in the sense that it was super successful with tons of people enjoying the festivities. Now, let's cue the montage. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below your experience from ESGS 2019 and what loots you got from visiting the booths in the event. I would also like to thank those people I bumped into and took some pictures. I really appreciate you all, and see you in ESGS 2020.